Hello, I'm Anagha Sanay from Vega India. I lead talent acquisition and transformation functions across India and the MEA region. Over more than 15 years in my entire career, I've built and shaped talent across multiple industries. Being part of Vega's journey has been one of the proudest chapters of my professional life. For me, it has always come down to one belief: our greatest asset isn't technology, it's people. And these past 4.5 years at Vega, I have lived this as a core value of ours. It has been an exciting runway, full of opportunities to grow and to make a real impact. When I talk about talent transformation, Vega makes it possible by keeping our teams ahead of the curve. With a sharp focus on training and development, this is how we protect our delivery promise. I get to watch our people grow into experts, and that growth is what our clients feel in every project we deliver. As the chapter unfolded, we recognize that AV industry faces a critical shortage of certified, deployment-ready talent, and we chose to solve it from within by introducing the Vega AV Academy, a model that AV industry has never seen before. Today, the Vega AV Academy is producing skilled professionals at scale, backed by our existing team who bring vast hands-on experience built over the years in the field, as well as partnership with Avixa, leading OEM manufacturers and academic institutions. It gives Vega deployment consistency, faster mobilization, and consistent delivery standards across the globe. Every Vega Academy certified engineers carries the Vega standard, which is exactly why the Academy has become our global growth engine. 40 years on, the future excites me more than ever. To the entire Vega family, thank you for the vision, the passion, and the spirit that brought us here. Here's to 4 decades of excellence and to many more years of growth, innovation, and success ahead. Congratulations. 40 years strong, and the best is yet to come.